Zno Instant Tutorial Part 2. Create an instant gallery using Zno Instant App and customize features. Welcome to Part 2 of the Zno Instant Tutorial. In addition to the desktop version, the Zno Instant App also allows you to quickly create an instant gallery and configure the necessary settings. Please download the latest Zno Instant App from the Apple App Store or Google Play and log in to your account. If you'd like to jump to a specific section of this video, here are the timestamps. Otherwise, let's get started. Click the New Instant Gallery button in the top right corner, enter the gallery name, and set the start date and end date for the event. The number of remaining instant galleries is shown at the bottom of the page. Clicking Create will immediately deduct one gallery from your remaining balance. Before you continue, it's important to note that once you click Create on this page, that will consume one of your instant galleries. Let's start with the Basics tab. Just as the name suggests, you will enter the basic information for your instant gallery, such as the gallery name, event dates, time, and location. The basic information you enter will be visible to guests when they access the instant gallery. It's a good idea to customize the instant gallery URL to include your business name. The next tab is Design. You can customize the look and feel of the instant gallery. Most photographers add banners, customize text overlays, and background colors. You can also make the banner clickable by adding a URL. For example, let's add your studio website so guests might tap on it and visit your website. You can also add categories in your instant gallery. For example, if you're shooting a 3-day conference, you could create 3 categories: Day 1, Day 2, and Day 3. That way, your guests can go to the desired categories to see photos taken on that day. You can also set a pre-gallery cover, which is the first image guests see before they enter the instant gallery. The next tab is Photo Branding. If you're working with clients who want their logo or event branding on the photos, or you want your own studio branding, you can do that here. You can add your banner with the event name, date, location, a client logo, or your studio name, so every photo feels on brand. We have pre-made templates you can use, or you can create your own custom design in the design tool of your choice. You can also upload a simple logo and adjust its position, size, and transparency. You can add a watermark to your photo, either use a pre-assigned watermark or upload your own. If you plan to sell your photos, it's important to add watermarks before you start taking photos and sharing them in real time. Now let me show you how to set access and privacy. This section is important because it determines how your guests will receive their photos. Choose the delivery method that fits your client's needs. Here are 3 options. The first option is Open Access. This allows anyone to access your instant gallery. The second option is Set Password if you want to add a layer of security. The third option is Selfie Access. This method requires guests to upload a selfie, and they'll only see the photos they appear in. For example, if the photographer took 2,000 images and guest A is in 50 of them, only those 50 of guest A will appear. Using data collection, you can collect names, email addresses, and phone numbers with both Open Access and Selfie Access. This is especially helpful for photographers who like to follow up with guests. Whether you want to send a quick thank you, share a link to the photos, or offer additional services. A popular feature inside of Open Access is Face Match, and this works inside an Open Access gallery. Guests will see a small face icon on any photo they appear in. Tapping it instantly pulls up all of their photos so they don't have to search through the entire gallery. At the bottom of this page, you can choose how guests download your photos. You can choose whether guests download a single photo or the full gallery or both, and you can decide if those downloads include your branding from the photo branding section or not. Next tab is AI Culling. Our free built-in AI culling automatically removes bad shots, closed eyes, blurry images, overexposed, underexposed, and duplicate images. The system handles everything in the background for you, and it's completely free, built right in. I recommend keeping strictness between low and medium so you don't lose any great shots by accident. Make sure to turn this on before you begin taking photos. If you turn it on after you take your photos, it won't cull anything. It has to be enabled beforehand, so the images are filtered before they land in the instant gallery. AI Retouch lets you automatically retouch all images before they land in your Instant Gallery. AI Retouch is the only paid add-on in Zno Instant, and it's unlimited retouching for the individual gallery. There are no credits and no limits on how many photos you can retouch. You can choose from presets that are good for outdoor, indoor, and more, or use any of your own saved presets. And if the environment changes during your event, you can switch presets at any time. It's important to turn this on before the event, so photos get retouched instantly. It won't edit photos automatically that were already uploaded to the Instant Gallery. Collaborator. If you're shooting an event with multiple photographers, you can use the Collaborator option so your additional photographers can send photos to your Instant Gallery simultaneously. All they need is the Mobile Tethering Kit to follow the steps from part 1 of the tutorial, and then you enter their email address in this box to add them as a collaborator. Store. If you're planning to sell digital photos, physical prints, or both, this is where you'll set up everything. Zno Instant is zero commission, so 100% of the revenue goes to you. Before switching the store status to on, make sure you have already set up your price sheet on the PC version, because currently, setting up your price sheet is only supported on the PC version. On-site printing. You need to download the Zno Instant Printer desktop software and connect it to your physical printer. This step is not performed within the Zno Instant app. Please follow the instructions provided in the Help Center. You can sort your photos by upload time, date taken, or file name. You can also filter photos based on visibility, AI culling, AI retouch, collaborators, and upload time. In addition, the Zno Instant app supports batch photo management, including moving photos to a designated category, retouching, deleting, making invisible, and adding photos to highlights. While shooting, you can also switch back and forth between the Instant Gallery interface and the Photo Upload interface to manage your photos at any time. And that's it for part 2 of the Zno Instant tutorial. You now have everything you need to set up your Instant Gallery and walk into your next event ready to go.